first I'm going to explain it for you in a very simple way, then we are going to make an example. Let's start. We are rolling options so we can make more money and we cut our losses. So let's say this is the stock price fluctuation, and as you can see we are going to sell put right here and we are going to buy put under it, lower in price that will give us about $100 in credit, and that is our put credit spreads. The stock can go up in price and it can go down in price as long as it don't touch our put credit spreads. We are good and we will make money. But what will happen if the stock price go woo and touch our put credit spreads? Here we have a couple of options. We can roll it or we can close it. Now we'll learn how to roll it. Really, it's very simple and I will explain it in a very simple way. This is the stock price movement and this is our put credit spreads, the one I sold and the one I bought, and we got from it, as we said, we got from it about $100 in a premium. I will make the number very simple. So we got $100 from it. The stock became so near to our put credit spreads, so I am scared right now. I want to roll it so it doesn't touch my put credit spreads. So what I do, I close this put credit spreads, the one I had, right? And for that I am going to pay, to give money $100 to close it. Then I am going to open a new one but in longer in time. So I sold this one and I am going to buy the one under it. So the first one, it's like 1 week ago. The second one, I close it. The second one, I open it again, sell to open. It will be like 1 month ago. So this is 1 week. I close this one, and this is month. Yes, month. And I open this one after closing the first one. Right? You understand me? We get from this one, the monthly one, $150, and we give $100 to close the first one, right? And we got $150, so we got $50. From where we got the $100? From the $150. So we made $50 in profit, just like that. And it's very simple. Now I'll show you a real life example. So this is the put credit spreads that I am selling right now. If I want to roll it, I will choose both leg, the one I sold and the one I bought, and I will choose roll put credit spreads. This one I sold. To roll it, I need to sell a new one but longer in time. As you can see, our original put credit spreads will be sold in the 15th of May, 713 and 714 strike price. The new one will be sold in the 18th of May and in the same price, 714 and 713. Now I will show you how. And this is what the Think or Swim option trading platform advised me to do, and it's like the default. It will give me the nearest one that will give me credit. So if I do this roll, as you can see, I am going to choose the market price, and that will give me $18 in credit. That will give me money to roll it in time. But let's say I want to be more careful. So I will choose, instead of the 18th of May, I will choose, like, let's say I will choose the 30th of June. That will give me a plenty of time. And of course, I need to put the other leg at the same time range. And as you can see, that will give us about too much money, too much credit to roll it, and we don't need to close it. And if I want to be more careful, I can choose lower strike price. So I will go, let's say $10 below the strike price. And of course I need to adjust the other one from 713 to 703. And now we will see that we are going to get also premium, and as you can see we are going to get about, let's say, 100 and something dollar. Now we are going to see we are going to get $126. We make it longer in time and we lower the price and we still got money. Really, you can do any strike any price you want. Let's say I want to choose again the 699 to sell, and I want to buy, let's say I want to buy the 698, and in the same time period. And you can see that will also give us a credit. We lower the price, like let's say $20, and we still are going to get credit, more than $100 in credit. So that's the beautiful thing about the put credit spreads. You can roll it if the price go against you. You can manage it. You can, if you want, you can close it and take a loss and open a new one. You can do whatever you want as long as you manage your position in a good way. You can lower the price and lower the price and lower the price, and you can still make money. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.